Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Germany in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add water. Then, add water again, and it will become a lake. Add water again, and it will become an ocean. Combine earth with ocean, and it will become sand. Combine Iceland with Iceland, and it will become a continent. Add earth to the other side. Combine earth with earth, and it will become a mountain. Combine mountain with continent, and it will become Asia. Add continent to Asia, and it will become Europe. Add earth to the other side. Combine wind with earth, and it will become dust. Add water to dust, and it will become mud. Add fire to mud, and it will become brick. Combine brick with brick, and it will become a ball. Add ball with Europe, and it will be completed. Add Berlin with Berlin, and it will become Germany. Now you can see Germany has been created in Infinite Craft. That was the way to make Germany in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.